So for today, I'm going to teach you on how to find your API key or secret key on your crypto.com. So first, make sure to access your account on crypto.com, and for you to able to do that, launch your website, which is the Google Chrome. I tried Google Chrome search engine, and after that you need to search for the crypto.com/exchange. Make sure to search for the crypto.com/exchange. Include the exchange on your website or this search bar. And be sure that you already accessed your account. So after that, you need to go to your profile icon, which is right here. Once you click on that, go to security. And under the security, which is the settings, you will see a two-factor authentication and a passkeys. You just have to click create passkey to be your account secured. And that's how you find API keys or secret key on your crypto.com.